a 10th grade U.S. history people. Some of you got to get in gear here. Let me know how I can help. But I don't want to see anybody fall behind, and some of you are. Tuesday, April 14th. This is our plan. So first, complete the April 14th due now assignment. Simple 5 points. Get that done by 2 p.m. Second, we're moving on from the Holocaust material. There certainly are some things you could watch for extra credit. There's a number of excellent films. Schindler's List, for example. Boy in the Striped Pajamas is another. Those are all things you could do for extra credit. But moving on from that, that topic, we're going to start now Chapter 24, Section 4, and that focuses on the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor. That is due on Thursday, April 16th. And once you finish that, then there is a quiz, the World War II Part 1 quiz that is in the assessments folder. And that is also due Thursday, April 16th. Below here is the assignments list. Now, on every other day, I'm putting out a reading and or a video. Video is typically 5 minutes, around 5 minutes, and the reading is designed to only have 6 to 10 questions. So I'm trying to keep the work limited for you guys. So don't fall behind any more than some of you have, or it's gonna be tricky. Okay? Reach out to me if you need help. I would love to help you. All right? Hope to see you guys soon.